Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Create a company file in Quickbooks and choose industry settings for automotive repair. Set your parts inventory value to 5,000 and establish a labor service at 0 per hour so estimates and invoices calculate correctly. Add a specific sales tax item at 3.5% for taxable parts and services and include custom fields to record VIN, license, and vehicle year on each customer job. Finally, mark subcontractors for Form 1099 NEC tracking, set the 00 threshold, and confirm vendor tax ID for year-end compliance. Create detailed estimates that list parts, labor at 0 per hour, and record technician time in 15-minute increments for precise billing. Save estimates to a linked vehicle record and attach photos. When work is complete, convert estimates to invoices, apply standard 30-day payment terms, and record card transactions including the processor fee of 2.9% plus /bin/sh 30 to the appropriate expense account. Use service items for diagnosis and flat rate jobs, and always link parts sold to inventory lot numbers to maintain accurate counts. Reconcile your bank and merchant accounts every month, match deposits to invoices, and record card processor fees as separate expense lines to see true margins. Process payroll through QuickBooks Payroll, withhold federal and state payroll taxes, file payroll tax payments on schedule, and prepare W-2s. Issue Form 1099 NEC to contractors who exceed the 00 threshold for the year. Finally, run profit and loss balance sheet, inventory valuation reflecting the 5,000 parts balance, and COGS reports to support tax filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.